Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned fruit cocktail. First, select your fruits carefully. A classic fruit cocktail typically includes 5 different types, such as peaches, pears, grapes, cherries, and pineapple. Ensure all fruits are firm, ripe, and free of any bruises or soft spots. Thoroughly wash and peel them before moving on to the next step. This careful selection is key to a delicious outcome. Now that your fruits are clean, it is time for preparation. The key to a visually appealing and enjoyable fruit cocktail is uniform pieces. Aim to cut all fruits into bite-sized cubes, roughly 1/2 inch in size. Remember to remove any seeds, pits, or tough cores. Keeping the different fruit types separate for now will help maintain their individual integrity before combining them later. A crucial element of canned fruit cocktail is the syrup. You will want to prepare a light syrup using a ratio of 2 parts water to 1 part granulated sugar. Combine these ingredients in a saucepan and bring them to a gentle boil. Allow the mixture to simmer for about 5 minutes until the sugar is fully dissolved. A small squeeze of fresh lemon juice can also be added to brighten the flavors and help preserve the fruit's natural color. With your fruit and syrup ready, it is time for canning. Carefully pack your prepared fruit mixture into sterilized canning jars, leaving approximately 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Next, pour the hot syrup over the fruit, making sure all pieces are completely submerged. Finally, process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 20 minutes. This ensures a proper seal and allows for safe, long-term storage of your delicious homemade fruit cocktail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.